Since the last episode, um, the last episode was about the same time last year when I had traveled to Singapore and had come back and uploaded the video. So it's been about a year since I have made another episode, and a lot of things have changed. A lot of things have happened um, in that 1 year, and I just wanted to bring you guys up to speed and make a video about the reality. This is more of a confession video where I'll be talking about things that happened in the last year, specifically things related to me and how that affected the business. This may not be true for all the entrepreneurs. This may not be true for all the businesses and all the business founders and CEOs out there. But this is my journey, this is my story, and that's the context that I would want to keep here. Last 1 year has been really difficult for me, especially for me and my business, especially because of the health issues that I had to face. When I returned from Singapore, my immune system went for a toss, and it went completely low, and I was falling sick all the time, and I had all sorts of cold, and from cold and cough to a lot of other things, right? So I was constantly falling sick. This continued for many months, almost a year now, and because of which I wasn't able to focus, and slowly my health kept degrading to a point where I wasn't even able to get out of my room, get out of my bed. So went for multiple tests, multiple doctors, and all I got was that because of the amount of stress that I was taking, because of the stress, my whole digestive system got messed up, and because of which I wasn't absorbing any nutrients, and that's why my immune system got hit. So all of that happened, and the reason I wanted to bring this up was I always talk about, in a lot of other videos, I talk about how entrepreneurship should be fun, how starting a company of your own should be fun. I do understand, and I understood then as well, that it may not be the case for a lot of people to actually be able to take it as fun. It may not be the case, and what last year taught me was that it probably wasn't fun for me as well. So although I do not agree with what doctors said, but since it's multiple doctors and very well-known doctors as well, so I'm going to take their word for it, and if it's stress, it is stress, and the only way forward is to accept that it is stressful. It can get stressful at times, and it has gotten stressful for me, and that's what I'm going to go ahead with. There is no saying otherwise to this entire situation. That happened. 1 year later, here I am. Because of all of that, because I wasn't able to focus, and I wasn't able to focus in work, my business took a hit. All the verticals, being the single founder also has its impact, because you do not have another co-founder to support your business when you're down or when you're low. So business obviously took a hit. We were at a stage where we had just launched the pilot of the product, and we were getting good feedback from companies, and it's a B2B product, so we were getting feedback from the companies, and it was going good, and we were just about to launch a paid pilot with one of our clients, and that's when all of this happened, and my health kept getting low. Now that I'm slightly getting better, not slightly, in fact, I have improved so much that I'm actually able to stand in front of you guys, make a video right now. So now that things have improved, now that we are at a position where we can go ahead and start approaching clients, is when COVID-19 has happened. I had made another video talking about COVID-19 and how serious the situation is back in April. But yeah, the economy is down. COVID-19 has happened. A lot of these companies that we have been talking to are holding back on their money. There's firing and all of that happening, layoffs. So it's happening very rapidly. Things are changing very rapidly, and there are a lot of things happening right now. For a lot of companies, it's just a question of survival. For a lot of people, it's a question of survival right now. So right now is definitely not a good time. But here's what I'm going to do. Here's the positive side of all of this. It's good that I got a year of break, if you will, out of work, of not doing anything. It was a good learning lesson for me to now focus more on health and give more priority on health, give more priority to on how to handle stress levels. So that has happened, and that is a good life lesson learned. And for the rest of the time till COVID-19 is here, or for the rest of the time the economy slowdown is here and is happening, here's what I'm going to do, and here's what I suggest all the other entrepreneurs or people who have been following me for a while and people who want to start a business should be doing is you should be investing, you should double down on the business right now, you should be investing a lot more on the business, and you should prepare for when the economies rise up again. Same with what had happened in 2008, right? I keep talking about it. So when 2008 crash happened, a lot of people lost hopes, a lot of people lost money and lives and whatnot. But for those people who were patient, and those people who doubled down on what they had, and those people who invested back again in, let's say, real estate for that matter, who invested back again in stock markets when that went down, have reaped the benefits now. So this is the time. If you have a business, or if you're planning to start a business, do it now. This is the perfect time. And if you have a business already, double down on your product, triple down on whatever it is that you're building, build more relations, build more network. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I think everybody else should be doing. Just wanted to record this video and put it out there. Thank you so much for all your help, and thank you so much for subscribing.